In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your USAA insurance bill online. To get started, go to the USAA website or open the USAA mobile app. Once you're there, sign into your account using your login credentials. Make sure you're on the official USAA site or app before entering any information, especially if you're paying from a public or shared device. After you log in, look for the insurance section or the pay bills option. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but both will take you to the billing area. From there, choose the insurance policy you want to pay. This could be an auto policy, homeowners insurance, renter's insurance, or another eligible policy linked to your account. Next, review your balance carefully. You'll want to check the current amount due, the minimum payment if one is listed, and the payment due date. This is an important step because it helps you decide whether you want to pay only the minimum amount due or pay the full premium. Taking a moment here can help you avoid late fees or missed payments. Once you've confirmed the balance, select your payment method. USAA generally allows eligible insurance bills to be paid using a checking account, savings account, Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. If the account or card you want to use isn't already saved, you may need to add it before moving forward. Be sure to double check the payment details so everything is entered correctly. Now enter your payment details. Choose the amount you want to pay and select the payment date. If the option is available, you may also be able to choose between making a one-time payment or setting up automatic recurring payments. Automatic payments can be helpful if you want to stay on schedule each month, but whichever option you choose, take time to review all the information before submitting. When everything looks correct, click Pay or Submit to complete the transaction. After that, you should see a confirmation message showing that your payment has been successfully scheduled or processed. Finally, save your confirmation. Keep the confirmation number or receipt for your records in case you need to reference the payment later. You can also check your payment history through your USAA account, which is useful for tracking past transactions and confirming that your bill was paid on time. And that's how to pay your USAA insurance bill online.